There's me with the flashlight. Look at that. Lights up the whole thing. Today we are checking out this little beast, the Wurkkos HD02 rechargeable EDC flashlight. The Wurkkos HD02 pushes out up to 3200 lumens. Crazy bright for its size. It's got multiple light modes, it's waterproof, and it's rechargeable. So I've been testing it out the last few days to see if it's really as good as it looks. Let's dive in. First off, the flashlight feels really solid. It's made out of aircraft-grade aluminum, and you can tell it's built to take a beating. It's not too big or heavy, so it's perfect for tossing in your pocket, backpack, or glove box. It's IP68 waterproof, which basically means rain or splashes are no problem. The button placement is good, easy to reach with your thumb, and it's got a USB-C charging port, which I love, because it charges fast and I don't have to dig for a weird cable. There's also a pocket clip for easy carry. Overall, great design. Simple, durable, and comfortable to hold. Now let's talk about brightness, because that's what we're all here for. The Wurkkos HD02 pushes out up to 3200 lumens, and it's no joke. On turbo mode, this thing lights up half my backyard, and it's like daylight. You get 4 lighting options: the spotlight, the folding wand light, the UV light, and a green light. The spotlight's for long range, great for walking trails or checking the yard at night. Folding wing light spreads the light super wide, perfect for working on your car or lighting up a campsite. The UV light is great for checking for leaks, stains, or even verifying money. And the green light, which is awesome for fishing or night vision since it doesn't spook the animals. Battery life is solid too. You get a few hours on medium power and about an hour and a half on max power. Then just plug it in with the USB-C and it's ready to go again. It's also really easy to use once you figure out the button sequence. One click turns it on and off. Hold it to cycle through the brightness levels. And a quick double tap switches to turbo or special modes like UV or green. I also love the folding wing design. You can angle it however you need, so it's not just blasting light straight ahead. You can stand it upright or even set it on a table to light up an area. It's super handy for camping or working under the hood. Here's my final thoughts. After using the Wurkkos HD02 for a while, I'm seriously impressed. For the price, it's one of the most powerful and versatile EDC flashlights I've used. Here's what I like. It's crazy bright. Multiple useful modes: spotlight, floodlight, UV green. It even has that flashing light sequence that you can go through. Tap that 3 times to get into that mode. It's got a rechargeable by way of the USB-C. It's waterproof and tough build. Pick yourself up one. It's definitely worth checking out.